How to fix Redmi Note 13 camera distortion. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe up to power off your device. After power off your device, then back it to turn on. After that, open settings and click on apps, and then click on manage apps, and then search here camera. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on it. Now here you can clear your camera storage. After clear your camera storage, then go back and click on system app settings, and then click on camera. Now scroll down in last, and here you can see the option restore default settings. Now click on it and then click on OK. After restore the default settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone. Now click on Xiaomi HyperOS. After that, here you can check your software update. After checking your software update, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.